Welcome back to video number 6. In this video, I will show you how you can easily configure taxonomies. You can configure taxonomies like courses, cuisines, and cooking methods and easily assign them to your recipes. Let's see how you can do that. As you can see from the screen, I have created a few more recipes. So creating a different recipe is even more easier. All you have to do is, from the recipe that is already created, you only have to click on this clone option. And when you do that, you get a clone of your existing recipe. Then you can just click on edit. Then you can easily replace the title, description, and the rest of the recipe information, as well as change the image from here. Let's go back. So creating a different recipe is very much easier, and I followed the same method to create all of the recipes. Okay, let me delete this real quick. And we will configure our taxonomies. We will configure courses taxonomy first. So from under recipes, you have to go to courses. As you can see, we have already created the breakfast recipe. This was created when we created our recipe. Now we will create a few more. But let me quickly show you the advantage of doing this. So if you head over to the demo page, you will see various taxonomy pages like courses, cuisines, and cooking methods. And if you go to one of the taxonomy pages, let's go into courses. You will see various sub-taxonomies like breakfast, dessert, dinner, drinks, lunch, and so on. And if you scroll down, you will see various recipes are neatly organized under the sub-taxonomies respectively. And if you go to the top, and let's go into one of the taxonomies, let's go to lunch. Under lunch taxonomy, you will find a short description as well as all of the recipes that has been assigned with lunch taxonomy underneath the lunch taxonomy page. So this is what you can achieve by creating various taxonomies and assigning those taxonomies to your recipes. This not only helps you make your site attractive and interactive, but it also helps your users to navigate easily throughout your site and find the recipes of their choice. Okay, let's do this. Now we will go back to our dashboard. Now let's create a new course. Let's give it a name. I'm going to name the new course as lunch. Then we will add in the slug. Slug is the URL friendly version of the name and it is all lowercase. So if the course name is lunch, then we will add the slug as lunch in all lowercase. Now we will also add in the description. So back to our demo page, and I'm going to copy the same description. Let's come back and we will paste it here. Now if you want to add in the taxonomy color, click on select color and you can select the color palette here. Then you can move around this pointer and the slider and select the color of your choice. If you do not want to add in the taxonomy color, let's just clear it real quick. You can also add in the taxonomy image. Click on add image. Then you can select the image of your choice and click on insert image. And here your selected image will be displayed. If you do not want to add in the image, you can also remove the image by clicking on remove image. Instead, you can also add in the taxonomy SVG icon. So if you click here on this blank space, you can either add from the list of recipe icons that are already here, or you can also select from one of the font awesome icons, or you can select the PNG icons. Now let's assume that you do not want to add any of these PNG icons and you would rather add your own customized PNG icon. Then you can also do that. So to do this, let's just click on Add New Course. So that our newly created course is saved, do not worry about this. We can always come back and edit this particular course. Now, from under Recipes, we will go to Settings and go to Miscellaneous. Then from under Custom Icons, you can click on Add Custom Icons. Then you can add in the custom icon of your choice and click on Add Image. Now click on Save Changes. Now we will go back to Courses again. And we are going to click on Edit right under Lunch. Click on the Taxonomy SVG icon once again. Now if you go over to PNG icons, you will find the PNG icon that you wish to add among the list of already added PNG icons. So you can simply click on it and you can update. Now if you are wondering where the icon you have selected will appear and how it generally looks like on your site, then let me show that to you as well. Just go over to the demo page once again, and if you scroll down on your sidebar, you will find recipe categories. I will also show you how you can easily configure your sidebar widgets in a while, but this is how it looks like. From your dashboard, the taxonomy lunch that you have created and the SVG icon that you have added over here, it will be displayed right underneath recipe categories as widget on your sidebar. I will show you how to add the widgets in a while. Let's get back to our dashboard, and the lunch taxonomy has been created. Let's just click on Update. Now we will go back to categories. Following the same process, I will add some more courses. As you can see from the screen, I have added a few more courses. Now we will also edit the breakfast course which we had created at the time of creating one of our recipes. So click on Edit and we will just add the description. So from taxonomy, color, image and SVG icon, we are going to select one of the PNG icons. Let's select this one and click on Update. Let's go back to the categories. We are finished creating our courses taxonomy. Now let's go to Cuisines. So again, from under Recipes, just click on Cuisines. And here we have already created the French cuisine. So creating cuisine taxonomy is similar to creating courses taxonomy. All you have to do is add name, slug, which is all lowercase and is the URL friendly version of the name. Then you can add in the description if you wish to. If you do not want to add in the description, you can just leave this one out. And you can either select the taxonomy color, or you can add the taxonomy image, or you can easily select from the recipe icons, font awesome icons and PNG icons from under taxonomy SVG icon. So let's add in the new cuisine name. We will add in the slug. I'm going to skip adding the description for this one, and let's select the taxonomy color. We will select it as blue and click on Add New Cuisine. So this is all you have to do, and following the same process, I have created more cuisines. And I have also edited the French cuisine which we had created at the time of creating our recipe. So our cuisines taxonomies have been created. Now we will go to cooking methods. So from under recipes, go to cooking methods. And again, the process of creating cooking methods taxonomy is the same as creating the courses and cuisines. We have already created baking, frying and roasting at the time of creating our recipe. Let's create 3 more. So just add in the name here. Add in the slug, which is all lowercase and URL friendly version of the name that you added on top here. You can add in the description if you wish to. Again, I'm going to skip adding the description. Now you can either select from taxonomy color, you can select taxonomy image, or you can select from taxonomy SVG icon. I'm going to select from taxonomy SVG icon for this one. I'm just going to randomly select one of the icons and I'm going to click on add new cooking method. Following the same process, I have added 2 more cooking methods taxonomy and I have also edited the already existing cooking methods. As you can see, I have also created various cooking methods taxonomies. Okay, now that this is done, we will assign various taxonomies to our recipes. So let's go to all recipes, and assigning the courses, cuisines and cooking methods taxonomies is very easy. As you can see, this is the first recipe that we had created using the custom post type, and we had created and assigned breakfast as the course, French as cuisine, and baking, frying and roasting as cooking methods. We had also assigned dairy-free and vegan as recipe keys. For the rest of the recipes, we have not assigned any courses, cuisines or cooking methods, not even recipe keys. Now let's assign them to our recipes. Just go to quick edit, click on it, and here you will find the list of courses, cuisines and cooking methods that you can easily assign to your recipe. So for our second recipe, for courses we will select dinner. For cuisine we will select French again, and for cooking method we will select frying. Now from under recipe keys we can also add the recipe keys of our choice. So since the cuisine name is kebabs, let's add in non-veg. And we will click on update. As you can see, we have assigned dinner as the course, French as cuisine, frying as cooking method, and we have assigned non-vegetarian as recipe keys. Now following the same process, I will be applying courses, cuisines, cooking methods and recipe keys to all of our recipes. As you can see, I have added various taxonomies to all of our recipes. So let's see how they look like on our website. Let's go back to our site and we will go to home. As you can see, the breakfast, dinner, dessert and the rest of the taxonomies, courses taxonomies have been applied to all of our recipes. But to have a better look, I'm going to go over to the Customize tab and I'm going to customize the banner as well as add the courses, cuisines and cooking methods pages to our menu so that we can have a better look at the changes that we have made. To be able to configure your banner and add the menu, if you are using Cookery Lite recipe like I have used in my video, then please go to the link in the description box below and there you will find how to easily create your entire website step by step, and there you will also find how to configure your banner section as well as to create or configure your navigation menu. For now, I'm going to make the changes real quick. I have finished configuring the banner as well as the menus. Now we will go back to our site and give it a refresh. And as you can see, the banner has been configured, and here is our navigation menu. I have added the main taxonomy pages. Now if I go to courses, you will see, just like in our demo page, all of the recipes that have been assigned with specific courses such as breakfast, dessert, dinner, and drinks, lunch, and so on, they are neatly displayed underneath those specific taxonomies. If you just click on breakfast, you will find the breakfast title. You will also find the description that we added and all of the recipes that we have assigned underneath the breakfast taxonomy. Similarly, if you go to Cuisines, you will find all of the recipes that are assigned underneath specific cuisines neatly listed under cuisine taxonomy. And it is the same with the cooking methods. Let's go back to our dashboard, and one more thing that I want to show you is, now if you go to courses, because you have assigned all of the courses to the recipes, you can see the recipe count on the right side underneath count. This helps you to understand the number of recipes that you have assigned with a particular taxonomy. So we have assigned 3 recipes with breakfast, 3 recipes with dessert, 4 with dinner, 3 with drinks, and 1 with lunch. You will also find similar count underneath cuisines and cooking methods. In the next video, I will show you how you can easily configure your recipe widgets and add them to your sidebar.